While I was putting my list of Halloween characters together this year, I put a post on Facebook asking which cartoon character, which cartoon villain was your favorite one growing up. And there were loads of responses to my question, but one of them said Mojo Jojo from the Powerpuff Girls. And when I read that one, I immediately thought, yeah, I should do a Mojo Jojo makeup. So this is my version of Mojo Jojo. And if you want to know how you can create a makeup just like this one, please keep watching because I will show you step by step in the coming video.
To become Mojo Jojo, I obviously need to turn myself into an ape. And the easiest way to do this is with a foam latex prosthetic. And I have chosen this one by Hoochie. So this one is called Ape Man and it is a gorgeous ape prosthetic. I'm going to glue this to my skin using Pulsate, but I won't glue the entire thing on at once. I will start with my nose and then glue it bit by bit until the entire thing is on my skin. That way I won't have as much wrinkles and I can kind of make it fit my face while I am putting it on there. And there we go.
Now the entire prosthetic is on my skin. I must say I absolutely love it. It does change the way I speak a bit because I have blocked my entire nose. I get kind of a nasal sound to my voice, but that is okay. We're going to continue with blending the edges of the prosthetic better to my skin. And that is something I'm doing with the Liquid Latex Clear by Mehron. I'm just going to put this on a foam sponge and stipple over the edge until it becomes invisible. Now the prosthetic is nice and blended. We can continue to the ears because obviously I need some monkey ears to go with my monkey face. And for that I have the monkey ears by Hoochie as well. These are just latex monkey ears. You can reuse them as many times as you would like. And I've got them here and I will glue these on my skin using the same Pulsate as I just used on my face. Get your hair out of the way. So I once again forgot my contacts and I'm quickly putting them in now. So they are just black contacts. They are called Black Beauty. They are by Ericona and I think they are most fitting for my Mojo Jojo today. To get the green base on my skin, I'm going to use Amazon Green by Mehron. And this is one of the beauty brushes by Titanic FX. It is the Duo Fiber Face Brush number 208 and it is lovely to create that base with. So I'm just gonna make the skin green. So the foam latex kind of works as a sponge. It really wants to soak up all of that makeup. That is why I usually don't use water activated makeup over foam latex. But if you wanted to, you definitely can. Just don't use it too wet. This is also a color by Mehron. It is called Dark Green and I'm going to use that to put some of the shadows in. And lime green for the lighter areas. And back to the dark greens for some of the details. So I'm just gonna smear it in there and smudge it on the skin, or on the foam that is. And I'm just gonna work with the shapes and the wrinkles that they put on this mask. So just use it as kind of a coloring book. I will use the dark green on my eyes as well. And a little bit of Diamond FX black for the inside of my nose, but also for the inside of my mouth. Now I have the rainbow palette and in there is a green powder, so I'm gonna use it on the makeup a little bit. I am using a bit of black face paint for the hairs that Mojo Jojo has. I have thought about creating them with wool crab, but as he has hair all over his body, I think it will just be easier to paint them with black face paint. So I will just paint my entire neck black. But if you would want to, you could definitely use wool crab to create this. And if you want to know how you can work with wool crab, I have a very long video on how to create beards and mustaches with it. But I guess you could use it for Mojo Jojo's hair as well. I think it's time to go wash my hands, zoom out a little bit and go get my costume. And there it is, my Mojo Jojo hat, which I created with EVA foam, and I painted it with just regular face paints I have here at my store. They are all Superstar colors, the light gray, the bubblegum pink and the La La Land purple. And I must say I'm very happy with my hat, although it might be just a tad too big. I think it is fitting for my Mojo Jojo makeup. So that completes my makeup for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe in our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. We still have a new video every day till Halloween, so I say definitely stay tuned.